Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another video. Now today we're going to talk about what happened to my EL Falcon. I did a video about a year ago where I talked about how my car's broken down and how the distributor in my car got stolen. And if you're interested in that video, I can link that down below for you so you can have a look at that. Now, I have been extremely busy with everything else and the car has literally just sat in my shed doing absolutely nothing. In the meantime, I have worked out what went wrong with the car and we'll be talking about this today. And I have, over time, bought a whole heap of parts that I need to fix the car. Now, I needed a specific part to fix the car, which is the distributor drive system that's inside the engine, and this is the first thing I'm going to show you. Here's the distributor of the car, and the problem is that the teeth on the distributor have eaten away. Now what happens is if you swap the distributor in these cars out at any stage of their life, and you do not change the drive gear that's here, the drive gear inside the motor and the distributor gear are not compatible and they will basically destroy each other. So the drive gear inside the motor has eaten the gear that's on the distributor. The distributor gear in turn has destroyed the drive gear that's inside the motor. You got to swap both parts out together, or if you're going to swap the distributor out, you're going to have to keep the original drive gear from the distributor that you've taken out, and you attach that drive gear to the new distributor to stop this from happening. Well, it's too late. This has been eaten. The drive gear in my car is destroyed, so I had to buy another set. And I'm not planning to sell the car, so I sourced a brand new part. This is what the part looks like here, and this actually goes into the front of the motor. This gear here drives the distributor, and this part here attaches to your timing chain, which drives this here in turn just like that inside your engine. So I'm going to have to swap out this part, but it's quite a big job to swap out this part. And this part here also came with a new drive gear that will attach to there. So I'm going to have to swap these two out, and then the engine will run again, hopefully, if I get everything right. Now, if you have any questions about anything you saw in today's video, do me a favour, leave your question down below and I'll try and answer it to the best of my ability. And give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.